everyone. Today's topic is about mechanics. Mechanics. So mechanics is the branch of physics. Mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with the study of behavior of motion of a moving particles in a system. Right? Mechanics, it is a branch of physics. It is a branch of physics that deals with the study of behavior of motion of a moving particle. Motion of a moving particles of a system. A system is a body. Okay, it is a body. So it is nothing but study of behavior of motion. Study of behavior of motion. Again, this mechanics is classified into three types. Mechanics is classified into three types. First one is kinematics. Second one is dynamics. Kinematics, dynamics, and statics. Kinematics, dynamics, and statics. So, kinematics and dynamics both are the branch of mechanics which deals with the study of motion of objects. Both are common, but the case is here kinematics study the motion of an object without considering the cause, but dynamics study the motion of an object with the considering the cause. Statics is nothing but static, it is nothing but a rest. So it deals with the bodies are at rest. Bodies are at rest or analysis of loads on physical system, and that loads are in state of equilibrium, whatever it is. So kinematics, dynamics, and statics. Kinematics, it is a branch of mechanics. Kinematics is a branch of mechanics which deals with the study of bodies that are in motion. Study of motion of an object without considering the cause. That means if a body, for example, if a body is in motion, right, the kinematics is study about this motion only. It does not studies about how the body is moving, but the body is in motion, like how much distance it travels, with what speed it is traveling, with what acceleration it is traveling. Okay, but whereas dynamics is not like that. It is also a branch of mechanics. Dynamics is a branch of mechanics. It deals with the study of motion of object with considering the cause, In the case of dynamics, how the body moves, with what force the body is in motion, right? That force is also includes in this dynamics. Okay, with what external force, how the external force acts on this body, right? So all that external force acts on this body, that force also considered in the dynamics. Whereas in the state of statics, it is also a branch of mechanics. It deals with the study of motion of objects, study of objects which are in rest position, which are in state of rest. So if the objects are in rest position, and if you want to study about that objects which are in rest position, and that branch is nothing but a statics. Clear? Next, so in this mechanics we have some terms like state of frame of reference, rest, motion, and types of motion. Okay, so you can check that types of motion, rest and motion in my previous video. Here I will discuss about the frame of reference. So frame of reference, as we know that reference is nothing but a particular identifying position, right? So to locate the position of a particle, we must need a frame of reference. To identify a position of a particle, we must require the frame of reference, right? So here this is the reference point. By comparing with that reference point, we will say that whether the body is in rest or in motion, right? So that is related to the observer. Though who is observing that body, particularly the position, either may rest or motion, that is related to the observer. So the observer must say whether the body is in rest or motion, right? So here it is a tree and it is a bird which is flying. These are the birds. So here observer is saying that with respect to tree, the birds are in motion. Here with respect to is nothing but the frame of reference. With respect to tree, this tree is called as the frame of reference. Okay, frame of reference is nothing but the reference point to observe, and to say that whether the body is in motion or rest. Okay, right? So continuation for this video, you can check that motion and time part 2 and part 3. Okay, so that you can get that some idea about that rest motion and different types of motions and relative motion.